The festival of colors, laughter and togetherness is here, and the excitement can be felt in every corner of India. From the narrow streets of Vrindavan to the grand celebration of Rajasthan and Gujarat, Holi is a festival that brings people together in a riot of colors, music and joy. But do you know that this vibrant festival is not just confined to India? Yes, Holi's magic has transcended borders, bringing people together in different parts of the world, making it a truly global festival. So let's take you on a journey beyond India to see how Holi is celebrated in different countries, uniting communities with colors and culture. Nepal, Phagu Purnima, a grand affair. Now let's start with India's closest neighbor, Nepal. Holi, or as it is known as Phagu Purnima, is one of the biggest festivals in the country. From the lively streets of Kathmandu to the lake city of Pokhara, people step out with colors, music and an unmatched festive spirit. Water balloons, gulal and traditional folk songs fill the air as families and friends come together to celebrate the festival. Mauritius, a slice of India's Holi overseas. Next, we take you to the island paradise of Mauritius, where a large Indian diaspora has kept the spirit of Holi alive for generations. With roots tracing back to Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, Holi in Mauritius feels just like Holi in India. Traditional bhajan, kirtans, Holika Dahan and vibrant color play mark the celebrations. And guess what? The Mauritius government even recognizes Holi as a national holiday, making it an official day of joy. Fiji, when colors meet culture. From the tropical beaches of Mauritius, we now head to Fiji, where Holi is a melodic affair. Now, with a significant Indian population, mostly from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, Holi in Fiji is all about music, dance and togetherness. Here, traditional folk songs known as Phag are sung in praise of Lord Krishna while people throw gulal and enjoy the festivities. But what's even more heartwarming? Even the local Fijians join in, turning it into a multicultural extravaganza. Pakistan, a celebration of identity and joy. Now, Holi's spirit even reaches across the border to Pakistan, where the Hindu community, especially in Sindh, Karachi and Lahore, celebrates the festival with great enthusiasm. Hindu temples and community centers come alive with color, devotion and joy. Despite challenges, this festival remains a strong symbol of faith, unity and celebration. And in a beautiful gesture of inclusivity, even some non-Hindus join in the festivities. Bangladesh, Dol Purnima, a festival of faith and colors. And finally, we arrive in Bangladesh, where Holi is known as Dol Purnima or Basant Utsav. In cities like Dhaka, Chittagong and Sylhet, Hindu communities celebrate with colors, traditional prayers and even special Havan ceremonies in temples. Now, the atmosphere is electric with devotional songs, cultural performances and vibrant processions. And just like in India, Holi here is not just about colors, it's about welcoming new beginnings with positivity and joy. So as you can see, Holi is much more than just a festival. It's a global phenomenon. It's a day that breaks barriers, strengthens bonds and fills hearts with joy. Whether in India, Nepal, Mauritius, Fiji, Pakistan or Bangladesh, Holi remains a celebration of love, togetherness and tradition. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned to India Today Global.